Most business owners choose accounting software completely wrong. They pick the cheapest option, then spend months fixing bookkeeping problems later. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best accounting software for a Singapore company is not always the most popular one. It depends on your business size, tax needs, and how you plan to scale. In this video, I'll show you the best accounting software for Singapore companies in 2026, which one is best for startups, e-commerce, freelancers, and growing businesses, and the hidden issues most founders discover too late. Let's get straight into it. For most Singapore startups, the top 3 choices are Xero, QuickBooks, and Zoho Books. Now here's where it gets interesting. Each one solves a different problem. Let's start with Xero. Xero is extremely popular in Singapore because it's clean, cloud-based, and easy for accountants to work with. If you run a service business, agency, SaaS company, or consultancy, Xero is usually one of the safest choices. For example, Alex runs a digital marketing agency with international clients. Xero automatically connects bank feeds, tracks invoices, and simplifies expense management. That saves him hours every month. But here's the problem. Xero can become expensive as your business grows and adds users or advanced features. Now let's talk about QuickBooks. QuickBooks is great for small businesses that want strong reporting and easy invoicing. Many founders coming from the US already know the platform, so onboarding is simple. Jake runs an e-commerce store selling globally. QuickBooks helps him track inventory, sales, and tax reporting more efficiently. However, this is where most people fail. Some Singapore businesses choose QuickBooks without checking local accounting workflows. First, certain accountants in Singapore prefer Xero integrations instead. In a minute, I'll show you the most underrated accounting platform that many small businesses overlook. That brings us to Zoho Books. Zoho Books is often cheaper than Xero or QuickBooks and works especially well for startups trying to control costs. If you already use Zoho CRM or other Zoho tools, the ecosystem becomes very powerful. Now here's where it gets interesting. Zoho Books is surprisingly strong for automation. You can automate invoices, reminders, expense tracking, and recurring payments without paying enterprise-level pricing. But no software is perfect. If your company grows rapidly or handles complex international accounting, you may eventually need more advanced integrations. So how do you choose? If you want the safest overall option in Singapore, go with Xero.d. If you already know QuickBooks or run inventory-heavy businesses, QuickBooks works well. If you want affordability and automation, Zoho Books is hard to beat. One more important thing. Your accounting software should match your accountant. That's the mistake many founders ignore. So here's the bottom line. The best accounting software in 2026 depends on your workflow, not hype. Choose something scalable, easy to use, and compatible with Singapore tax compliance from day one. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the accounting software you're currently using for your business.